4th of July ride, scoot here, one here. 4th of July, muggy here in Huntington, West Virginia. Wolf King GT Pro, but it is not coming on at all. I had a wreck on it, threw me over the bar, and the kickstand hit the asphalt, kicked me in the high side. So I get it back to the house. Whenever I get out of the hospital for a month, I was in a coma, broke 5 ribs, collarbone, I was almost dead, kidneys was shut down. Anyways, get back and the rear wheel's locked up, so I tried to kick it like on the 3rd time because I thought I might just be stuck in the motor or something. The front wheel was spinning and it shut the whole thing down, so it won't come on or anything. So if anybody's got some information or knows about that, let me know. Right now I'm on my T08. This is the true hard one. It's got 3,700 miles on it. Road tire, off-road tires on it. It's fun. It's held up well.
Oh man, it's yours.
Nice, Dad.
That's it.